Hello, today we will guide you through how to disconnect Google account from Claude AI. If you've connected a Google account to Claude and you'd like to remove that connection, this process is straightforward and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and make sure the correct account is disconnected. To begin, open Claude in your browser. And once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the Claude account where the Google connection was originally set up. This is important because connector settings are managed from inside your Claude account. After you're in Claude, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Claude stores account preferences and connection options. If your screen looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully, since menu placement can vary a little depending on window size or interface updates. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. The Connector section is where link services and external accounts are managed. This is the area you'll use whenever you want to review, edit, or remove an existing connection between Claude and another platform. From there, click on Customize. This will open the connector customization view, where you can see more detailed options for the accounts that have been connected. If you have more than one account listed, this is the point where it becomes especially important to slow down and choose carefully. Next, click on the Google account you want to disconnect. Before selecting it, double-check that you're opening the correct account entry, especially if you've connected multiple Google accounts. Taking an extra second here can help prevent disconnecting the wrong one. Once you've opened that Google account, go to the upper right area of the screen and click Disconnect. This removes the link between Claude and that Google account. After clicking it, watch for any confirmation in the interface so you know the change has gone through successfully. And that's it. The Google account is now disconnected from Claude AI. If you need to remove additional accounts, you can repeat the same process for each one. It's also a good idea to return to the connectors page afterward and confirm that the account no longer appears as connected. Thanks for following along. This is a quick but useful way to keep your connected accounts organized and make sure Claude only has access to the services you want linked.